You the game warden? Who are you? What's that you got in your hand there? Is that a rifle?
No, rifle.
What are you shooting those birds for? What's that? What are those, bats or something?
Are you on your phone?
Why are you shooting the pigeons?
Because they're a problem here.
Are you allowed to shoot them?
Yep, you are. What are you doing?
Filming you shooting pigeons? You got a problem with that?
What are you doing?
What are you doing here? I live here. I live here.
Me too.
So what?
So
You have a gun out here shooting pigeons?
I do.
Yeah, I shovel because I'm at the beach. And don't try to act like I'm pointing a shovel at you. You have a firearm shooting pigeons on a beach. Is that legal?
It is.
It is? According to who?
Look up the regs.
Okay, I'll let the sheriff know. I don't like people shooting birds. It's a bird sanctuary, buddy. If you don't like pigeons, too bad. They're the ones who got us to this coast. My Portuguese people, these pigeons got us here, not you and your damn gun. Take that damn rifle and put it somewhere. Yeah, I'm a former Marine. I don't like people walking around with firearms that I don't know in my community.
All right, we're leaving.
Good. Leave, because white people lie to me all the time. You're probably friends with that jackass on the corner there, too. You know who I'm talking about. Hula slut.
No.
Yeah, we know. That looks pretty dangerous. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Look at this, right here in Avila Beach. Shooting pigeons underneath a pier. I don't have to, it's a service dog. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead. Don't get fussy with me, Kevin. Don't be lying to me again, saying you can shoot birds in the neighborhood. Walk away. Walk away now. That's right. You got punked. Go infantry or go home. You see how white people lie? I got their faces on film. They had a rifle with a silencer on it, shooting pigeons underneath the Avila Pier. That is so highly dangerous and illegal, shooting a gun underneath the pier, a sniper rifle setup. It must have been a pellet gun or something else, but it definitely had a silencer on it. You saw it. A scope, a tripod, that's illegal. Go infantry or go home.